away.
Okay.
Give me my dream back.
Give me your.
Give me my dream back.
So you're having fun?
My road.
Are you having fun, Akshaj? Anu, are you having fun? Are you guys having fun? Rohan, see, he's asking something.
Yes. I have row. It is a green grass and I'm rowing it.
Good job, Rohan.
See, don't touch, okay? Don't touch. Oh, yucky.
It's fun, right? No?
Stick around.
Yeah, but actually you don't have to do much, right?
Hey, see the turtle, guys. See the turtle, small one.
See the turtle there.
Where?